In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a title to dashboards in Smartsheet. Having a clear, well-placed title on your dashboard makes it much easier for your viewers to instantly understand what they're looking at. It helps with organization, communication, and makes your dashboard look more professional. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple process of adding a title, and I'll explain what's happening on screen so you can confidently repeat the steps on your own. Start by opening the Smartsheet dashboard where you want to add a title. Once your dashboard is open, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. You should see a vertical toolbar or panel. On this right sidebar, find the plus icon. This plus sign is what you'll use to add new widgets or elements to your dashboard. Go ahead and click on the plus sign. When you do that, Smartsheet will display a menu of different widget types you can add, such as charts, text, images, and more. From this list, you're going to choose the option labeled Title. Click on Title to start adding a title widget to your dashboard. As soon as you select the title option, Smartsheet will place a new title widget onto your dashboard canvas. At the same time, you'll see on-screen prompts or a configuration panel appear. These prompts will guide you through the customizing the title. Typically, you will be able to click inside the title area to type the text you want, such as the name of a project, a report, or a specific team dashboard. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your title text. Take a moment to choose wording that clearly describes what the dashboard is for, so anyone opening it immediately understands its purpose. Depending on your Smartsheet settings, you may also be able to adjust formatting options here, such as font size, alignment, or style, to make the title stand out. Once you've entered the text, you can click and drag the title widget to position it exactly where you want it, usually at the top of the dashboard. Use the handles around the widget to resize it so the title is easy to read, but not overwhelming. After you're happy with the text, size, and placement, simply click away from the widget or confirm your changes following the prompts. Your dashboard now has a clear, visible title, helping your viewers immediately recognize what they're seeing and making your Smartsheet dashboard look polished and